welcome back to Ranella Subaru. We're taking a look at one of our quality pre-owned vehicles here. Here we have the VF SV6 Commodore sedan. This is the Storm sedan. MY15, just over 100,000 Ks on this one. Looking very smart in silver, LED driving lights, very clean, well looked after vehicle. One of the last of the real Commodores. 18-inch alloy wheels, tow bar fitted, twin exhaust tips. Very clean and tidy, this car. Beautiful interior. Sat nav built in. This car can be viewed and test driven any day, Monday through Saturday here at Ranella Subaru, 82 to 86 Main South Road, Old Ranella. Give us a call, come on down. Nice clean Commodores like this don't stick around for long.